This quick video will show you how to set up and use the Meescan app to quickly and conveniently check out items at Teaneck Public Library using your smartphone or tablet. Please remember that the Meescan app will only set up and check out within the library building. The first thing you'll need to do is download the Meescan app to your mobile device. You can follow the links on our website or search for Meescan in your app store. Look for this blue logo. Allow the app to download and install, and then open it. The first thing you'll need to do is allow Meescan to take pictures. It will use the camera on your mobile device to scan the item barcodes. Next, you'll need to allow Meescan to access your location. The app will only function within the library building. This is the initial setup process. You will not need to do this every time you use Meescan. Begin by tapping Start. Next, you'll be asked to enter your patron ID, which is your 14-digit library card number. You can type it in here, or click on the camera icon to scan the barcode on your library card. Enter your PIN or password below. The default PIN is the last 4 digits of your library card number. If you need help resetting your PIN or password, a staff member would be happy to help you. Tap Start again to log in. By default, Meescan always opens to the checkout screen, as you can see at the top left. You can also choose Account to view your library card number and barcode. You'll see how many loans or items you have checked out below that, and then any fees you have on your card. The My Library icon on the top will take you to Teaneck Library's website where you can find more information about our services. The Settings icon at top right will allow you to set some preferences. Let's go back to the checkout screen. We're ready to check out an item. Tap on the red plus symbol at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you're going to be checking out many items, you can toggle the switch at top center that says Scan Multiple Items. This will allow you to keep scanning. Then you'll tap Done. For now, let's scan just one item. We line up the barcode within the rectangle. The red line should cross the center of the barcode. Once successfully scanned, you'll hear a beep and you'll be returned to the checkout screen. If you decide you'd like to check out another item at this point, you can go back to the red plus sign at the bottom right to scan again. If a barcode is not scanning right away, try moving your mobile device slightly closer or farther from the barcode. Back on the checkout screen, you'll be able to see all of the items you've scanned during this session, as well as their due dates. When you've finished scanning all of your items, tap on Finish at top right. At this point, you can opt to have your receipt printed at one of the library's Meescan kiosks. The Circ kiosk is located across from the circulation desk at the front of the library. The lower level kiosk is located in the Youth Services Department in front of the desk. You will always receive an emailed receipt listing all your items and their due dates. If you've checked out any media items, like DVDs, you may need to bring them to the front desk to unlock the cases. Thank you for using Meescan. The next time you're at the library, just open your Meescan app and tap Start.